dari penguji dan promotor mungkin yang semua pertanyaan-pertanyaan masukan Bapak Ibu kami berharap bisa menjadikan disertasi ini menjadi lebih baik dan menjadi lebih sempurna. Untuk yang pertama saya persilakan kepada penguji eksternal Bapak Ahmad Munir SPD MPD PhD untuk mengajukan pertanyaan kepada Promotengus. Kepada Bapak Ahmad Munir SPD MPD MPD PhD disilakan.
Baik, terima kasih kepada yang terhormat Ketua Sidang Bapak Rektor Universitas Negeri Medan, Pak Prof. Burhanuddin, kemudian kepada Bapak Dekan, Pak Prof. Zulkifli, ada salam dari Pak Dekan saya, Pak Syafil Anam PhD, kepada Bapak berdua. Saya sangat senang bahwa saya sudah diundang ke Unimed untuk berkontribusi dalam sidang terbuka Bapak Lis Supriyatman. Kepada Dewan Penguji, saya sampaikan terima kasih. Semoga suara saya terdengar jelas.
Jelas.
Oke, sip. Izinkan saya menyampaikan pertanyaan dalam bahasa Inggris, Prof. Pak Lisman, Lis Supriyatman, congratulations for this last milestone in your doctoral study, Pak. I really appreciate and I am very impressed with the creativity that you have already shown in your dissertation, Pak. This is very updated and of course very contextualized in your local, in your university, Asahan University, and IDLM in BBL, Interactive Dynamic Literacy Model, and specifically your literacy model has a syntax which is called Lisman, L literacy and so on and so forth. Pak, can you clarify to me, because in your presentation Lisman is your output, as the syntax of your literacy model. However, in your chapter 2, you also use Lisman. So my question is Lisman the results of your study, or is it actually part of literature review? Yes, please.
Thank you very much for Bapak Munir for the question. Well, I'd like to clarify your question is related to whether this model is a result or it is a result of my dissertation. Well, I'd like to clarify. In my dissertation, I divided problem-based learning. I divided problem-based learning by integrating the concept of interactive dynamic literacy model. Because, so the consequences of integration, the phase of PDL become this. So, let me clarify what it is. In interactive dynamic literacy model consists of some skills. So I integrate some skills of IDLM in PDL. Of course, the consequence are the phase of IDLM becomes. Because of the integration of the concept of IDLM. So the conclusion is this matters the result of the integration of IDLM in something like that. I think that's all my answer.
Yeah, that's a very clever decision that you have already made, Pak Lisman. Just to counter, prejudice, Pak. Yeah, whether this is actually to promote your name, Pak, not to promote the concept, Pak. So how can you defend if somebody? I think you want to promote your name because Lis Supriyatman and the contraction, the short version is Lisman. How can you counter such a prejudice by readers, for example? Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the question, Bapak. Yeah, last time when I went to the library of Uninter, I saw many dissertations, especially for teknologi pendidikan. Yeah, we know ya teknologi pendidikan focus on R&D ya, and then also create the creativity related to the learning model. There are many learning model that shows that they have some education, sometimes from their own name, sometimes from the other name. It's like I was inspired from that. It's like I tried, yeah. Actually, I don't force, but I tried. It is but yeah, I try to what you call. First, I refer to the problem and what is needed. Like in PBL or the student orientation problem. We know that it is in general. Actually, the activity is to motivate students, but we don't know exactly what is the activity to motivate. That's why I make it explicitly by giving the local customer material. It is stimulant for motivating students because it is connected to their life, to their background. That's why I think the difference or something the guidance. So from that, and then the second is organize students. So in problem listening, the teacher or the lecturer only organize students to prepare what to do, to finish the task. Only that. But related to the problem, the students face some obstacles related to generate ideas. Because before the students writing, before the students write, the ideas are already. So how is the way? Of course, by reading. Yeah, in problem listening, it is not explicitly that the students must read first. But in the student model, the students must read first to correct as many as possible, and later on, when they write, easy for them to write good ideas. It is the difference, the difference between PBL and economics. So everything that I put in this model have consideration, have not only a economics, but I also have some reasons, something like that. I think that's my clarification.
Okay, great. Yeah. As I still remember my suggestion in the closed exam, I suggested that you apply for intellectual copyright, right? Or HKI. Have you applied for HKI for that acronym Lisman, right?
You mean
Yeah, haki for ini, because I think you need.
Over the stack because it is later on we can talk about the haki.
Yeah, I think you should. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now that this is very explicit and easy to catch. Yeah, that you have already found Lisman. Yeah. And you have already incorporated local culture in the idea generation and include lecturers in the process of text development so that students are aware of the aspects of their writing. Yeah. Now, what do you have in the future? What is your plan now that you have already got a book? Yeah. There are, I think, 3 packages of books. Student books, yeah.
Udahlah nggak dibaca.
What is it? Student book, the lecturer's book, and materials, Pak. Yeah. So far, you've got 3. Yeah. Okay. So what's next, Pak? After you get this doctoral program, doctoral degree?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the question, Bang. Yeah. So it is related to my planning after I graduate from this degree. Of course, I will develop my creativity here to become a yeah, like this learning model, like what you suggest, must be manage the hierarchy related to the model, and also related to the other part, like instruction. I will develop more specifically because in this presentation I only give the example of the implementation or the creation of instruction. Later on, I will develop become the complex or become a perfect or become something like that. Actually, I still do need some suggestion from the other to complete the product because wait until when it's okay, when it has been fixed better, I will manage it happy. And when it is fixed, my task is how we can be beneficial for the others. How we can be beneficial for the others because human is beneficial for the other. That's why we can give something to someone else. We can give something to the others by socializing, by sharing, or by disseminating to the others. First, relating to the implementation of this model, relating to the use of the resource material. Okay, so it is my future plan to socialize, to introduce, to promote, because as long as there will be benefits that I will to the others. The basic. That's human mind. Human is beneficial for the others. Something like that.
Okay, thank you, Pak Lesman. Now, you I think accompanied by your the university. I mean, your boss from your university, right? Yeah. So, what kind of promise you give them? Now you are now a PhD, a doctor of applied linguistics. Now, what will you promise them? What contribute to your university?
Yeah, okay. Nice question, Bang. Now, from Assam University, there are, my boss, the rector, Bapak Ketua Yayasan Lapindo, Pak Raja, ada Pak Priya, banyak ini support me and you asked me about the promise normally I'm as the member I'm as the permanent lecturer relating to the promise. I try to do my main task as the lecturer that must also fulfill, complete my obligation as a lecturer. Of course, I try to make UNA advance. Through my creativity, I try to introduce my creativity and also introduce UNA. That UNA has many creativities that will be can be beneficial for the other, especially in Assam University or Assam surrounded, something like that. It is my promise. Actually, I'm not to break it because it is promise. It means that I must do it. I think that's the promise.
Okay, Pak Lis Supriyatman, thank you so much for your answers. I really am very I am very grateful with your answers. I'm very satisfied. I congratulate you for this achievement. Thank you, and I would like to thank the chair of this examination, Bapak Dr. Abil Mansur, SSI, MSI. I do apologize, Pak, for missing your name in my introduction in the preceding session. So I leave it back to you, Pak Abil.